This is the Tesla Model 3, and if you want to check the health of the battery pack, you can actually do this without any OBD scanners here. Here is the service menu in this car, and you can use this for checking the battery health, but the test is not that simple. First of all, you need to make sure that the battery is less than 50% charged. So if it's more than 50%, it will not start the test. Then you need to make sure that you don't need the car for at least 24 hours. So about 24 hours this test lasts, and 24 hours your car will be plugged to the charging equipment. You will not be able to use it anyway. So these are the two conditions, and also you need to have a level 2 charger available for at least 1 day. So your car will need to be charged all the time. It will discharge the battery, it will charge the battery several times. By making this, it will decide what's the battery health currently. So to prepare, you need to set your car to the level 2 charging. You will need to make sure it's less than 50% charged. Then you go to controls, you go to software, press and hold the Model 3 for several seconds. No, that wasn't enough. So you press and hold the Model 3, then it offers you to enter access code, and this access code is service. So you just type service. Okay, it warns you that it's a service menu, you don't need to go there. Here is the red frame around your screen. This means you are in the service mode, and here in this service mode you have a couple of different options, but you want to go to high voltage HV battery. And now in the high voltage battery menu you may see some options, and in my case Tesla changed this service menu, and you can't launch the battery test. In older pre-2022 I suppose generations, you will have the opportunity to check the state of health of the battery. Now with this menu here you can't launch a test, and you will need to go to Tesla dealership or to some guys who repair Tesla cars and ask them to check the battery health with the equipment, with the diagnostic equipment. If you see this, if you see the opportunity to start the test, which looks like that, you may start the test, and it will check the battery health in your vehicle free of charge for 24 hours. Then to go out of the service menu, you will just need to press and hold this button here.